反光那个地方。This is the system model. The cutting head number. Torture head. This is Max 12 kW water. 一个 host fan mouse. And this is the chiller. And this is the voltage stable 120 kVA. It's chiller. Sorry, that is the chiller. This is the cabinet for the electric spheres inside. This cabinet has the air condition. S&A brand air condition, the top brand. It's used for cooling the cabinet inside, for cooling its drivers. Its inside drivers. And the machine need to connect with the air oxygen. This is another side of the cabinet. This side is the for the control go-to system board. 咱开始切吧，我把前面拍完了。咱这个切的25 millimeter carbon steel。好。With the smoke on it, it's very hot. Clear cutting effect.